Aloha, everyone. I am Angela Kimahia. I'm gonna ask you a question. Are you sad? Stressed? Pagod na sa deadline. Sino dito? Okay, ako din. Sino dito ang pagod na sa never-ending life waves? Gets niyo ba?
Yeah.
Huwag kayo mag-alala kasi I'm not just gonna take you to a cafe, but I'm gonna bring you to... Sorry nga. I'm not just gonna take you to a cafe, but I'm gonna bring you to a different cafe where you can feel healed, relaxed, and the hope. It is the Elysian Voyage Cafe. So, ano nga ba ang Elysian Voyage Cafe? So, start tayo sa name. Elysian means paradise. Voyage means escape. So, para sa madaling salita, ang Elysian Voyage, it is a paradise escape. So, Elysian Voyage is a special place made for escape, healing, and renewal. It is not just a cafe for